How to fix live option missing on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix live option missing on TikTok. So if you're also missing your live option, or you can just simply upload your live, go live, because you may not have 1000 followers or something like that. So I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix that. So just head over to your profile section, and once you're inside here, just click on the top right corner, there is a hamburger icon, and just click on settings from over here. And once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down and click on report a problem option. And from here you simply have to click on live, and from here just click on hosting live, and you will be seeing the option called how to start a live. Just click on it and just click on no, and click on need more help from over here. So, and from over here you can just list out your problem. For example, you can simply write a message about your live not restarting, and once you type in the following message, you just simply have to send it to the TikTok team, and they will be responding you to after 24 hours, or most probably inside within 24 hours, and they will contact you through your email, registered email, or your phone number. So once they do that, you have to just follow the on-screen instruction they provide, and you can simply fix this problem. So that is exactly how you can easily fix live option missing on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.